Hey everyone, Yogesh here from Utilize Your Business, and in this video, I'm going to answer the question, can you do affiliate marketing if you don't have big following or no audience at all? How you can do affiliate marketing without any audience and be successful? Stick around till the end of the video, you'll find out. Welcome back. So, you decided to do affiliate marketing, and which you figure it's one of the best way to get into the online marketing, and you want to start making money. Well, you look at all the other affiliates, all the people who are top super affiliates who have a lot of successful. You see them, they have a lot of followings. Look at their YouTube channel, look at their Facebook page. Maybe they have their Facebook groups, and you look at it, they have thousand followers, and for them, it's pretty easy to do affiliate marketing to promote any new products. What about for people who doesn't have any audience? What to do? So don't worry about it. You don't actually need an audience to be successful as an affiliate marketer. What you actually need to do is learn how to do paid ads. That's what I did when I first started as an affiliate marketer. Now, don't get me wrong, organic audience, having followers, having people in a Facebook, or having people in subscribers for your YouTube channel. It's great. It's great for anybody who is into online branding and doing affiliate marketing. But that takes a lot of time. And I don't know about you, but do you have that much time to spend, every day for a long time to build this audience? Now, what if you can be successful as an affiliate marketer just doing paid ads? Now, what you need to do with paid ad is learn how to do paid ads on either be YouTube ads or Google ads, or on a Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. There are a lot of social media apps that you guys can figure it out where you want to do your ads for affiliate marketing, what products you want to promote, and all you have to do is look at for a niche, or look at where these peoples are actually, the people are, congratulate, they're joining the groups, join the groups, or you can look at it, target your ads for the people who are looking for specific products or they're in specific niche. Now, for example, if you want to promote, let's say, something in fitness or in wellness, and what you can do is pick a product. Could it be from the ClickBank, or there are a lot of other products, companies out there promoting it, and can target people who are actually looking for products, or who are interested in being fitness for their for their body, or they're into a wellness niche. So you can target these actually ads to that product, and that's what I did when I first started it. I myself started it. I was actually more attracted towards making money online. That's the reason I started this channel too, helping people, promoting products who can, make money online as an affiliate marketer. Now, the first I solely started it, I started promoting Clickfunnels, sales funnel software. As after that, I started promoting a couple of other software which are sort of in the same niche of the sales funnel building. Now, after that, when I actually just recently, a couple of months ago, if you've been following me on this channel, I've stumbled upon a company called Legendary Marketer, and I really liked how they've set it up, and really the products they're promoting it really helps affiliate marketers, a person who is either beginning, who doesn't have any followers, or affiliate marketer who doesn't, have tried a lot of other stuff, but it's not able to be successful. Now, if you fall in that category, or for that matter, you are an affiliate marketer and you want to know how to do affiliate marketing the right way and how to promote it using paid ads, and at the same time, uh, start building a following to your offers that, or to your brand, then you can be promoting. Then later on in the future, can promote these products, these affiliate offers to your followers, and it be piece of cake. So if you haven't heard of it, um, wait till the end of the video. I'm going to tell you exactly how easy it is to get started with Legendary Marketer. So in order for you to get started with Legendary Marketer, there are two ways to get started. First, join their 15 days online builder business challenge. What that is it teaches a person, whoever goes through the business builder channels, how to correct way of building their business on online marketing, how to find the right offers, how to be a successful affiliate marketers. Now, the really good thing about this is this product, the investment is only $7. That's right. The investment for $7, you get access to it, and on top of that, you also get access to one-on-one with your business consultant coach. Now, I've joined a lot of different programs. I haven't seen a program where for $7 you can actually you can actually have a business coach, consultant coach, who actually, you're going to have meeting with them, a one-on-one phone call, and where that person is going to help you set up your goals, what exactly it is you want to achieve while building your online business, and why it's going to show you why is affiliate marketing a best way to do it. So that's the first way of joining the Legendary Marketer. The second, and that second way is my recommendation. Legendary Marketer just came out with a product called Affiliate Domination Formula. There's an ebook by the founder of Legendary Marketer called David Sharp. Now, the ebook is only for $1.99. Yes, it's for $1.99, showing affiliate marketers how to do affiliate marketing the correct way, how to and be a successful affiliate marketer. Rather than not showing them how you can spam your links. That's what most people are doing. It's spamming their links and all over the social media. Joining the group left, right, and center, joining the network, and all their purposes to spam their affiliate links. No, join this for $1.99 and you'll learn the correct way of doing it. Now, I couldn't believe that he's also, on top of that, he also has some sweet little bonuses. So the first bonus, remember the first way of joining it for the 15-day builder challenge? Now you can actually get access to that for free as a bonus when you get this ebook for $1.99. So for merely, depending on where you live, a small cup of coffee, less than a small cup of coffee, or maybe, equal to a small cup of coffee, you have an ebook, which plus as a bonus 15-day online business builder challenge. And that's where, if you go through that, it's going to show you exactly the right way of doing affiliate marketing and be successful. Doesn't matter if you have any audience, no audience, or God, doesn't matter, you're beginners or a person who is not successful, have failed everywhere. My recommendation is to get this book for $1.99 and you'll see it. it's worth it more than $1.99. So the link is in the description below. Get that book and go through the 15-day online business challenge. It's going to show you exactly how to do affiliate marketing the correct way. So I hope you guys will find the value in by investing for $1.99 and really digging deep through the ebook plus the online business challenge for you to become a successful affiliate. All right, guys, that's it for this video. We'll see you for the next one. Bye.